Hello viewers, today I'll show you another original recipe of mine that I have made to signify the festival of Holi or the coming of spring or Basant in India. I have named it the Basanti Thandai Cocktail as it evokes the joyful colors of spring and is utterly delicious. Let's have a quick look at the ingredients. I will be using 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf, half teaspoon of poppy seeds or khaskhas, 1 teaspoon of black and white peppercorns, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms, and some saffron or zafran, as well as some almonds, cashew nuts, and pistachios. I will also need some orange and mango juice in 50-50 ratio, some sparkling Italian Prosecco wine. Any good white wine will do if you don't have Prosecco. Some vodka. This is Russian vodka. Some angostura bitters, an optional ingredient. 30 milliliters of lime juice. Yellow and orange flower petals, 1 lime, 1 orange, and mint leaves for garnishing. You need to slice the orange and the lime into circles and pluck out a few yellow rose petals, orange petals, and mint leaves for garnishing. Put the nuts in a grinder along with all the spices. We are now making the Thandai powder for this drink. Let's grind everything together. The Thandai Masala powder is a very versatile powder and you can use it for other recipes as well. In a large beaker or a bowl, put some mint leaves and some coarse sea salt. Crush the mint leaves with a muddler to release their aromas. Add large chunks of ice into the beaker. They melt slower, so are better since they don't dilute the drink quickly. Pour 50 milliliters of vodka, followed by 30 milliliters of lime juice, 200 milliliters of orange and mango juice, and 1 teaspoon of Thandai powder. You can add more if you want. Add a few dashes of angostura bitters if you have them. Give it a mix with a spoon. And now it's time to add the Prosecco. No real measures here. Fill it up to the top. Give it a mix. And add the slices of orange and lime into the drink. Garnish with yellow rose petals, mint leaves, as well as some orange petals. Let the drink infuse for a few minutes. The beautiful Basanti Thandai cocktail is ready to be served to your guests. This is the perfect naughty drink for Holi with layers of sophisticated flavors, Basanti in color, symbolizing the joyfulness of spring. It is the classy grown-up drink for the Basant Utsav or the Spring Festival. Pretty it up with lime and orange garnishes in a glass and herald in the spring with this bindas drink. Enjoy!